everyone, my name is Shani Dyler. Are you ready? Today we will talk about the plants. Plants are important. Plants gave us food and oxygen. What are the needs of plants? Plants need water, soil, sunlight, air, space. Plants need love, and we should take care of them. How are we going to take care of the plants? Of course, we should give water to plants. We should cultivate the soil for better growth. Diggy, 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 diggy. And we should cut the withering leaves. We should put them in a place where there is sunlight. Let's see. Here. This is a good spot. Hello, Kailan. Perfect. That is how we take care of the plants. Thank you for watching. Have a nice